Problem solving with mass and volume. Bob has 30 students in his class. He is bringing in juice. About how much should he bring? So these are just where you're going to have problems where you want to look at mass, volume. You don't necessarily need to have a really good understanding of the units of mass or volume. You just really need to be able to solve problems. So there's 30 students in his class. How much juice should he bring? Well, I know that 1 liter would be good for about 2 people. So there's 30 students. Liters is how I'm going to measure liquid because I'm talking about juice. So juice, I'm thinking about how much. 30 students, all important information I want to remember as I go forward with this problem. First thing I'm going to do is draw liters. So what I did is I drew liters. I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I got to count about how many people. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Each one would give enough for about 2 people. So you have 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, another 10, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now I'm up to 30, and that's how many people are in his class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 times about 15. About 15 liters should be enough. Now you may want to consider, maybe, the kids drink a lot there, or maybe they don't drink as much, and you would adjust this as needed if you're purchasing. What if it's a multiple choice, and these are your choices? Say you had A, 2 liters, B, 3 liters. I would look at these two and say they're so close in terms of an estimate. 2 and 3 are so close that they're both probably wrong. Because if it's 2, then it could also easily be 3. C is 20 liters, and D is 300 liters. Well, 300 liters, that's a whole lot. 20 liters is actually pretty close to my estimate that I came up with at 15. So your best choice is definitely going to be the 20 here. Here's a balance. This balance is even, so both sides are the same. How many grams is one small box on the left? So on the left I have 3 little boxes, and on the right I have 1 box that's 30 grams. Well, I basically know that these two are equal. Okay, so 3 of these equals 30 of those, or equals 30 grams. What I can do is just divide the 30 into the 3 equal groups. So I do 30 divided by 3. I know that 3 times 10 is 30, so I know this will equal 10. And so I know that each small box is 10 grams. And I have the answer to my question. Here's another type of problem. Billy had 378 grams of soil. He needs 515 grams of soil for his garden. All right, he's planting a garden. He has this much. He needs this much. How many more? Oh, I remember how many more. That means subtraction. How many more grams does he still need? So he needs this. He has this. Well, if I take what he needs, 515, and I subtract 378, I'll have what's left, and that's how much he still needs. So I subtract 5 minus 8. I need to regroup. 15 minus 8 is 7. 0 minus 7, I have to regroup again. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. He still needs 137 grams of soil. Here's our learning target. I can add, subtract, multiply, or divide to solve one-step word problems involving masses or volumes of objects. Here's another word problem for you to solve. Bob drinks 2 liters of water each day. Each day. How many liters of water does he drink in 9 days?